Do you want to download and save Instagram videos and Reels to your phone? The easy way to download Instagram Reels and video by using Instagram Video Downloader or download Instagram Video without using any app through online websites that allow you to download Instagram videos into your phone without installing any app. In this video, I will show you the best and easy way to download and save Instagram videos to your phone without any app. So let us start. First of all, open your Instagram app and just select one of the video that you want to download it. For example, I just select this one, this reels, and now after that, just find the share icon. Just tap on this share icon and simply tap on the copy the link. When you copy the link, just come back and open your phone browser and tap for the igram. Just write in the search area igram. Just search for this one and tap on this one igram to open this. And igram is an Instagram video downloader. To download videos, reels, photos and stories, simply paste the link into the search box. Just search it and search for this. And now after this, just click on the download. Now our video will be start to download. Now our video is now downloading. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us. Thanks.